Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 5.4 and let me share with you how to activate the burst shot on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, let's tap on it, and here we have to enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. As you can see in the photo section, at the very first position we've got long press on shutter, so this is the option we are looking for. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the burst shot, so let's tap on it in order to apply it, and as you can see it immediately appears right here. So let's go back to the camera and check. Let's tap on the shutter button and hold, and as you can see right now I'm taking photos, the series of photos, just by tapping on the shutter button and holding it. And as you can see, the 30 photos are the maximum of, or 20, I'm not sure, let's check. Okay, so 20 photos is the maximum of the amount of photos in the series in the burst shot. Of course, you can turn it off just by going back to the settings and tapping on take a video quickly, and from now on, whilst we will hold the shutter button, your device will record video. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the burst shot in your Nokia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.